One of the most important decisions that you'll make after you get your insurance license is who should I work with. Most people will end up working with the friend of theirs that told them about life insurance. They go to that agency without really knowing how to do due diligence on the company, the agency itself, and what they have to offer. Most common approach is that they hire a lot of agents and wish them the best of luck, offer them very low contract and tell them to go out there and prospect. Pass out business cards, go to networking events, put on lunches, things like that to help to strum up business. That's a very expensive route to do it. You're calling your friends, your family, you're wearing out relationships, all of those things. But some people consider that to be lower cost because they're not buying leads. I've never approached any of my friends or family about trying to sell them insurance policy or any of that. I do have some friends that are clients, but that's because they came to me. Did not prospect to them. I've never done any lunches. I've never gone door to door. I've never gone around trying to pass out business cards hoping to pick up some future prospective clients. So I don't really know how to do all that. I've never had to be the guy that everybody wants to avoid because you're now in the life insurance business. I believe in a good lead system. And it needs to be a good lead system that is honest. Most of the agencies that I run across, they'll get a lead for $10 and they'll try to sell it to their agents for $15 or $20, and then they'll resell that same lead to another agent a couple months later, and then again to someone else a year later. So that causes chargebacks and all kinds of bad things that I feel are unethical and dishonest. But they do it all the time and they make a lot of money, so I guess they just find a different way to sleep at night. Then there's the contract junkies or whatever the other names for them for. I'll try to keep it clean, but the people that get a big ego, they think, well, I'm issuing $5,000 a month. That's not a good month. That should be a weekly issuing of business. But they think that entitles them to some bigger contract. And so when they call agencies like myself and all they want to know is how big of a contract can they get. I'll tell you right now, I'll politely get off the phone if that's what the agent's looking for. If they just want as much advance as they can get, if they want as much higher contract as they can get, that doesn't interest me. That person's not loyal. They don't have any integrity. And me coming from a Marine Corps background, I just don't want to be in business with a man like that, or a woman for that matter. What you need to look at is, do they have a support system? Do they have people that will help you? Do they have training available to help and guide you? Do they have a lead system that's, cost effective and effective? Do they have a contact management system that can help you manage your business? Do they have staff that can help you with your contract needs and issuing business needs? Are you going to be out there on your own? Or are you going to have someone or a staff of people that will be there to help you? We have that. I've been offered many times higher contracts to move to other IMOs or other agencies and things like that, but I'm a loyal person, and I place value on having a support system. And I believe that's why I'm still successful, and I believe that's why I've got the relationships and the agencies that I have. So if you're out there and you're wondering what to do, things of that nature, feel free to email me. Whether you decide to work with us or not, I don't care. I'd be happy to, even on the phone or over email, give you some pointers so you don't end up getting the runaround, false promises and all those things, and end up with no income to show for it because someone lied to you, misled you, and duped you by some gimmicks or tricks. Remember, in 10 years and hundreds of agents, I've seen everything you've seen. There's no surprises. We know what's out there. We know every system that's available to you. Just feel free to run it by us. Be here to help. Thanks so much.